Hey guys, it's me Athar from Gossipfunda, and in this video we are going to see how to fix Instagram network request failed error. So let's get started. This might happen with you if you are using an older version of the app. So go to the Play Store and check for any updates available. So here an update button will come. If there is an update available, try updating the app and it might fix your issue. Another reason might be that you are facing internet connectivity issues. So try connecting to a faster network or see if your data plan has expired. Another way is by trying to clear the cache data and force stopping the app. So go to the storage usage and clear all the cache data and then force stop the app and try to relaunch it. This can also happen due to an older version of the OS of your phone. So go to your phone settings, scroll all the way down and click on the software update. Here let's check for any updates available. So as you can see, there is an update available. So try to download it and see if it fixed your problem. Lastly, try to uninstall the app and reinstall it by clicking on app information and click this uninstall button. After uninstalling is finished, try to reinstall it from Play Store and this should fix your issue. So thank you for watching this video and I hope this helped you. Don't forget to check out our blog for latest technology update. Link will be in the description box below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel and share the video if this was helpful.